Today I got two products from Peak Design. I got the everyday case for my iPhone 14 Plus, and I got a car mount as well to attach my phone to my car. I'm pretty excited to try these two. These two are part of Peak Design mobile ecosystem. You can use these cases to attach to their motorcycle mounts, your bicycle, or like their photography accessories as well. But right now I just got the car mount, the normal one. There's also a wireless charging for this as well, but I think the normal one works just fine for me. Before I got this, I used to use another brand mounting system, and I think it doesn't works for me pretty well, and it's very bulky. And I have to bought so many accessories for that brand. But I think Peak Design one is pretty robust and well designed, very well thought out. No need for like an extra add-on accessories, which is very impressive. Alright, now I'm gonna unbox these two out and try it out, and I'm gonna install this on my car. Let's see. Starting with the everyday case. Okay, here it is. Wow. This is for my iPhone 14 Plus. Okay. Climate neutral, certified. And some documents in here. As you can see, connect your phone to your life. And they got like a lot of accessories for the Peak Design ecosystem. And a lot more. And there's some motorcycle mounts as well, which I'm going to get later. As you can see, the case in detail, very nice, pretty solid. I really like the design. It's like pretty slim. For this everyday case, it is like recycled nylon canvas. It is like a matte finish, very shiny. Looks better in person than in photo. And there's like 4 magnets over here. It's Magsafe compatible with any Magsafe accessories and works well with their Peak Design ecosystem. And as you can see here, there's a square wing right here. It is what Peak Design calls it, a slim link. It is like for their motorcycle mounts or bicycle mounts where you need more extra security. For the extra security lock, it's gonna lock into this wing right here to like add more security while you're riding. And it is ceramic, it's made out of ceramic. Looks pretty durable as well. You can get this everyday case for every iPhone models and Samsung phones as well. And there's like a vegan leather version as well. You can check it out at peakdesign.com. If there isn't an everyday case for your phone, you can get the universal adapter for your phone as well. I'm going to put my phone in now. This is my iPhone 14 Plus in black, of course. Can't just put it in here. Feels pretty solid and secure. Oh wow, it looks pretty slim. I like it. I really like a slim case with all-around protection. And as you can see at the bottom, it is like pretty thick. And there's like a hole for you, a loop. Put like your Peak Design anchor for you to attach like their cuff or like their strap for cameras as well. You can put it with your phone in case you want to use it. It like weighs very high at the bottom. It's gonna protect your device even more as well. Actually, it looks way better in person, this case, when on my phone as well. At the back here, it's like all flat. There is like no protruding spot over here, like some other brand. Pretty slim and very comfortable to hold as well. Very good ergonomic. Now, for this car mount. Okay, this is like an adhesive car mount. You need to find some place at your dashboard and stick it in. Okay. Some user manual. You can like find a spot on your car dashboard. I'm gonna install it to let you guys see as well. And here there's like a cleaning alcohol to clean the surface before putting this at your car dashboard. And extra 3M adhesive. Now, yeah, very nice. And like I think I got the updated version. It's like flex over here a little bit, which is pretty nice. I saw like the older version, it doesn't flex a lot. Read instructions carefully. Installation takes 24 hours. So I need to install this at my car dashboard and leave it for 24 hours before using it. The design of this is like pretty minimal. I like it a lot. You can twist it around as well. As you can see, it's like a ball head over here. I'm gonna try my phone. Whoa! It's like pretty secure, pretty tight fit, but you can pull it off pretty easily. Oh, I'm starting to like it already. Now I'm going to my car and gonna install this car mount. Let's go. Okay, I'm here now. You know, I'm pretty nervous actually because where I'm gonna install this is like around here. And this part of my car is like very curvature to it. But luckily the base of this adhesive car mount is like can stretch at both ends. As you can see, it can stretch a bit. And I tried it and it might be okay as long as it sticks and like I wait like for 1 day and to use it. I think it's gonna be just fine. And try putting my phone in here. Very nice. You know, I just want to see if I don't use this everyday case, just like normal magnets on my iPhone. Oh wow, it can stick too, no problem at all. If you use like other Mac cases or like just your iPhone Magsafe, you can use it with this peak design come out as well, which is pretty impressive. Okay, good. It's just fine. I'm gonna use the alcohol wipes to clean it. If this part doesn't hold up, I'm gonna change the position. You must clean and let it dry by itself. Most flat surface, like hard surface, is gonna be just fine. Like not too much curvature to it, but I'm just going to whisk it just for you guys to see. Let's pray for this. I think I got the very perfect position right here. Press and hold down firmly for 30 seconds. Okay. Okay. Yep, that's pretty much it. As you can see, I like put it on the curbs right here. The adhesive is like, it's not all the way through, but I think that's not gonna be a problem because at this end it's like pretty tight already. And as you can see on the other side, yeah, it is okay, I think. I'm going to set it here for a while, for like 24 hours, and I'm going to come back and use it. This is like 4:30 p.m. I'm gonna come back again 4:30 p.m. tomorrow and use it. Let's see. All right. I like set it like for 1.5 days now because yesterday I didn't go anywhere. I think she'll do now. Seems pretty tight. Oh wow. Yeah, it's a pretty strong magnet and like you can move around, adjust your position as you like. There's a ball head at the back. There's no lock. It's like freely rotate. No need to like screw or unscrew it. You can like do your phone in landscape mode as well if you like, which is very nice. Let's try it out. I'm loving it. Ba, da, 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 ba. I'm loving it. Yeah. You know, I really like it. Like it used the magnet to just attach, and it's pretty tight as well. You don't need to like do a twist action every time. And we're gonna roll. I just need some dark coffee, black, no sugar, on ice. Feel me? Right. I can just like pull my phone out like this. I'll be back. Okay. Coffee, phone mount. Yeah. Pretty easy to navigate. You know, this car mount from Peak Design is very convenient. If you want to use your phone, you can just pull it out. Once you finish using it, you can just put it back like this. And you don't need to worry about your phone falling. The magnet is pretty strong. As you can see, when I push it out, when I try to push out, it pulls back. Very nice. You can just like pull it out straight. But I recommend you twist it either side while you pull it off. It's gonna make you pull your phone a lot easier. Man, good coffee. And you know, if you want a landscape navigation, you can do that as well, like this. Just twist your phone. Very nice. A lot of cars. You know, this is my camera, my previous angle just now. You know, now I'm really loving the Peak Design mobile ecosystem. I'm getting the motorcycle mount as well, and I'm going to review it for you guys. Yeah, hopefully I get it soon. Heading to the shopping mall, try some Magsafe. I'm not going back to my mini studio. All right, now we're gonna roll. I'm gonna try some Magsafe wireless charger out because I don't have a wireless charger at my home. Now I'm saying, hope they don't remember me. I'm gonna try my phone. It's iPhone 16. The regular Apple Magsafe. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it works with Magsafe charger as well. No problem at all. Let me see if I can find another Magsafe to try. Invisible phone stand. Oh, no. Stick, see? I really like this drone, DJI Flip. Maybe I should get one for myself. Yeah, it's aligned now, just like a normal Magsafe. You can use any Magsafe accessory with this Peak Design everyday case as well. Just now the Magsafe Flip phone stand and wallet works well with this Peak Design case. Very nice. Another one. Right, as you can see, the Peak Design everyday case works with Magsafe accessories perfectly. If you enjoy it, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.